Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today, ang di-discuss natin is about sa basics again ng ating Airblade or which is yung mga nakasulat sa manual. Right now, ang di-discuss natin is yung about sa change oil indicator na nakikita sa panel. Recently kasi, I've seen many comments and questions about yung change oil indicator. Like for example, nagpa-change oil na sila sa kasa, nakalabas pa rin yung change oil indicator nila sa panel. So, on this video, you will learn kung bakit lumalabas yung change oil indicator, kailan siya lalabas, and kung paano siya i-reset or aalisin sa ating panel. But first, if this is your first time watching this video, just don't forget to hit like and subscribe para maging updated tayo sa ating mga upcoming videos and tutorials. Okay, so unang lumalabas yung oil change indicator sa ating panel kapag naka 1,000 kilometers na yung total odometer or trip meter ni Airblade. Then after that, pag nag-reset ka na nung oil change indicator, so di ba mawawala siya, so babalik lang ulit yung oil change indicator after 6,000 kilometers. So pag ni-reset mo ulit after 6,000 kilometers, babalik ulit siya after 6,000 kilometers. So magre-repeat lang siya every 6,000 kilometers. Pero yung pinakaunang beses na lalabas siya is after 1,000 kilometers. So for example, on my end, 1,250 na yung total odometer ko and meron pang oil change indicator sa panel. So pag nag-reset ako right now, ang next na labas ng oil change indicator sa panel ko would be at 7,215 kilometers. Kasi 1,215 plus 6,000 equals 7,215 kilometers. So, paano nga ba natin i-reset or alisin yung oil change indicator sa panel ni Airblade? So, actually, hindi siya basta-basta mawawala. Kagaya nung sinasabi na iba na nagpa-change oil na sila sa kasa, then nakikita pa rin nila yung oil change indicator. So, mawawala lang siya by following these steps. So, patayin muna natin si Airblade. Yan. So, press nyo lang yung set button for 3 seconds. Then, tsaka nyo i-twist yung ignition button. Ayan. So, after 3 seconds, ayan, clear na siya. Makikita nyo kanina, parang nag-blink siya. Ibig sabihin, okay na. Na-reset na natin yung oil change indicator. And lalabas na lang ulit siya after 7,215 kilometers sa aking odometer, or which is after 6,000 kilometers. So yun lang guys. So if you did not have any questions, just don't forget to comment down below and I'll try my best para masagot yung mga questions nyo about change oil indicator sa ating panel ni Airblade.